Good morning, gents. Welcome back to another edition of The Bearded Journey. I am your host, Scott Barnes, and in today's video, we're going to be diving in a little deeper into the oils of Live Bearded. Now, if you haven't checked out Monday's video, I went over Live Bearded's entire product line, kind of went through the process of how to style out your beard and your mustache. But in today's video, I want to talk more about the fragrance between their old The American and the new The Executive. Now, with that being said, The American being their original scent, I still have half a bottle left of this. This is their original Woodsman. It's got that earthy tone, something that every beardsman probably wants to smell like. This is my Christmas go-to. I really like this in the wintertime. And then this new one that we got here, The Executive, this is something that I want to dive into because it's very more of that modern day, pretty much that day-to-day wear that we want to use, in our office and daily attire. Now, like I said earlier, The American's a nice, great way to get into Live Bearded. Like I said, it's that classic smell that every beardsman likes to go through. But their new Executive just has that nice, prim and proper smell that I actually love, kind of like that cologne, modern day beardsman. Now, you know Live Bearded is taking care of us when they're just using those all-natural ingredients, those jojoba oils, those grapeseed oils, not giving us those trash kind of ingredients. And I like the fact that this smells so sophisticated and it's something that's bringing new to us. Live Bearded always bringing us new things. So let's go ahead and open it up and get a consistency and smell. And see, that's what I like to see. It's a nice lighter fragrance. It's got a nice cologne smell to it. Nice refreshing bar of soap smell, if you will. And of course, let's go ahead and put some oil in here. Gotta say, I like it's nice and thick. And of course, we got a nice consistency of oil here. Let's go ahead and apply it. And that's just a great refreshing smell. Like I said earlier, it's just that morning freshness, kind of getting out of the shower. And I'm definitely getting some nice fragrances here, getting some nice tones of spring. But all in all, very nice, coats the hairs very well, sits in and lays on the skin very nicely. So don't be afraid to rub it into the cheeks, to the chin, and into your neck. And I like what Live Bearded did here. They gave us the Executive. Like I said earlier, with the American being the all original, I like that they gave us that word of an executive, having that nice suit and tie on, walking into the business meeting, having that great, nice smell. This is a great addition to their collection. And like I stated on Monday's video, Live Bearded gives us a great quality of products. Their butter is, in my opinion, one of their best on the lines, and their oils is no short from that as well. They give us something that we all want to use on a daily basis. Now, for you guys out there that don't like to get out of your comfort zone with oils, this is why we like to do these promos for you guys to try a new product, and that way it's not so expensive. Go ahead and go over to Live Bearded. I put down all the links down in there for you. Save yourself 10% with that promo code Scott. And like with Live Bearded, they're always there to help you guys out. So if you have any questions or any comments or anything like that, go over to their site. They will help you out 100%. And to finish everything off, I want to say thanks again to Spencer for hooking me up. If you guys, like I said earlier, are skeptical out there, go over, ask Live Bearded some questions or anything that I can answer for you guys. So like always, you guys like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Check you guys later, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!